Hey everyone! Welcome to Abby Online Teach. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you the long vowel sound O, spelt with the letters O and A. So these two letters, when they're right next to each other, make the sound O. And I'm going to be going through 4 different words with this sound in. So let's get started. The first word is goat. Goat. At the farm, there is a goat. So to sound out this word, I would say g-o-t, goat. G-o-t, goat. The second word is boat. Boat. Look at the people on their boat. So to sound out this word, I would say b-o-t, boat. B-o-t, boat. The third word is moat. Moat. Around the castle is a moat. Moat. So to sound this word out, I would say m-o-t, moat. M-o-t, moat. And the last word, word number 4, is coat. Coat. When it is cold, we have to put on a coat. Coat. So to sound out this word, I would say k-o-t, coat. K-o-t, coat. So that's the end of today's lesson. I really hope you have found it helpful. You can also find more support from me over on my website, which I have linked down below. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!